Well, this is one of our latest gardens that we've recently completed. From final plans to building took about 2 weeks. That included the planting. The brief from the client was to somehow reflect in the front garden the classic and contemporary feel to the interior of the house. To harmonise with this existing privet hedge, we've put this lovely geometric pattern of box hedging on both sides of the garden. What I love about this garden is that the path takes you on a journey. What this garden's got is sort of elements of an Edwardian or a Victorian parterre or courtyard garden, but with the contemporary twist of the lines of the path and the beds. Now, this is an east-facing garden, which means it gets the sun in the morning. So you're looking at really shade-tolerant plants, but that doesn't stop us here because we've got some fantastic plants which are going to take us right through the season. It won't be long before this box hedge forms a solid, lovely low hedge. We're going to keep it at about this height. I just want to mention a few of the plants which are in here. We've got this lovely red euphorbia, which is going to give us fantastic yellow flowers. And we've also got this rose here. They're called Desdemona. They don't mind a little bit of shade. And in the afternoon, when the sun has left the garden, they'll really pop some colour into the garden and some light as well. We've also incorporated this beautiful ornamental Alamankia tree into the design. And beneath it, we've created like a woodland area with these Euphorbia robbi, and as you can see, the tulips are coming through, and we've got these wonderful hellebores which flower all winter long. Now, suffice to say, we'll be back later in the season because these beds are going to be full of flower and lovely foliage interest. We've got alliums, foxgloves, brunnera. It's going to look amazing. But I wanted just to point out as well, you're probably wondering what these sticks are. They're actually hydrangea kyushu, which is a fantastic hydrangea for a part shady spot. We've got 3 of them by the bay window, and then we've reflected that with 3 more along the fence, which gives us a sense of symmetry. I also just wanted to point out this new lovely limestone path. We've edged it both sides with the gravel, which gives it an even wider feel, and also we've added this wonderful step. Now, we've got this very attractive trellis here, but as you can see, we've already got this evergreen jasmine growing through it. This will actually form a solid hedge full of flower and scent throughout the summer. And we've extended this jasmine hedge to run along the left-hand boundary of the garden as well. So if you'd like us to design the garden of your dreams, why not get in touch via the website or Facebook?